Did you know that caring too much can actually hurt the people you're trying to help? Tanya was a therapist who loved her job. She wanted to heal everyone who walked through her door. But soon she started taking their pain home with her. She couldn't sleep. She worried about her clients all night long. She couldn't talk to anyone about it because of privacy rules. Tanya felt completely alone. Then one of her clients tried to hurt themselves. Tanya started having panic attacks. She avoided her friends because she didn't want them to see her struggling. Things got so bad that Tanya thought about breaking the rules to save another client. She knew it could end her career, but she felt helpless. That's when she found Matthew 11:29. It talks about learning from Christ's gentle and lowly heart. Tanya realized she could care deeply while still having healthy boundaries. She learned to trust God with the things she couldn't control. Amazing thing, when she found peace and gentle detachment, she actually became a better therapist.